Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update the annotation category. Suppose section line, or you have this is called call out lines, color if you have to change, or any style you have to change. And suppose if you are going to revision and you have some revision here with the stair, you can see that you have to change the color of this revision cloud. So these three things in this tutorial we are going to cover. So here you can see that I have a sample Revit model from Autodesk, and you can get this file from go to file and then click here this icon, and the sample file you can get it from here. It's already installed with your system. So here just I'm going to any plan, and suppose if you are going to revision and you have some revision here with the stair, you can see that you have to change the color of this revision cloud. So this is the annotation category. You can check it in the visibility if you go in the manage tab and view tab and visibility and graphic, or also you can type VG from the keyboard. And here if you will uncheck this, you can see that these all elements are in the model category, and all we already unchecked that annotation category here. So just bring it back. Okay, so first I'm just going to go for the revision cloud, and for this one also you have to go to view and visibility graphic, and then this time click on the object style, and here you have to go to annotation object, just make it bigger, and here you can type, or you can go to say the type here revision. You can see that revision cloud, and here some property of this revision cloud is showing that line weight is 6 and color is black and line pattern is solid. So this I'm just going to click here and change the color in red color and click OK. Okay, so this is updated here. Next time, for this is the call out. You can see the property, how you can make the call out. You can go in annotation view and you can make the call out. If you have to call out for this stair here, and then you can adjust this grip. So this is the call out. Okay, so again go to this floor plan, and then this time again you can go in the view and visibility graphic, or you can type VG, and this time also you have to go to object style and annotation object. This time either you can search from here or here also, type C to reach the call out boundary. So this is, you can see that here also line weight is 6. If you have to change, you can change this line weight also, and the color you can update from here. This dash property also, line property, you can change it from here also if you want to keep the center, or just let's go to change something. Click OK, and okay, you can see that this also updated. And last in this tutorial, as I told, for the section also we are going to just check for the section. So again you have to go to visibility and graphics one more time and go to object style, and this time just go to find the also in annotation category section line, and this time we will go to change this one to some other color, and here we will go to keep this center line and click OK and apply OK. And like this also you can see that section also updated. So like this you can update the any annotation category and you can make it your own standard as per your required, or as per your, you can prepare the template like this and you can utilize in the project wise. So if you like this video, please give me your opinion, what your concern, your question is that, or if you didn't subscribe, please do subscribe and share with others. Okay, and keep watching for the next. I'll bring the next tutorial for the which will be helpful for you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.